What's up, traders? Welcome back to KJ Trading. Today's video is going to be a dual video. It's going to be Tuesday's video and then today, Wednesday's video combined. I couldn't make one yesterday. I was just way too busy. But I have some time on my hands right now, so I'm going to try to combine them both into this one video. So here you can see these are the four stocks I did trade in the last 2 days. These bottom two I traded on Tuesday. These top two I traded today. Yesterday was a big loser for me. It was almost a $30 loser, which is basically my max loss on this new account. It's almost at 1,000, or it was. It was at 900. Um, I lost $30, and I made like how much did I make today? Not show you that yet, but I'm gonna show you right here. So this is the first stock I traded, I believe. MYMD on Tuesday. Picture perfect, clean setup. Right here. So you can see clear resistance again. So I wanted to buy this breakout, double top breakout. And as you can see, I obviously, sorry, my sisters are just really annoying. Um, as you can see, I did not get filled anywhere where I wanted. I got filled at 942, 942, like right here. I bought this candle. I'll show you that later. I tried to buy this breakout, and both times I did not get filled. So let's come over and show you that. So you can see here, this is my first trade, and I lost a little bit on. I lost like $2.5 on YVR. Then here I tried to get in this break, 927 and 929. Tried to get in with 30 shares twice. That I didn't get filled on either of them, so I canceled them. 927, 929. Remember those times, because here, 927, this candle. I tried to get it because it was about to break it. It didn't break, but I wanted to buy here. And then I tried to buy again at 929, and it did break on this candle. I was trying to buy this break twice, and I didn't get filled either of them. Would have been in 30 to who knows how many shares, and then that would have been the picture perfect, like great break ever. They didn't get filled, so I got really irritated with that. Broke my rules. One, FOMO. Two, way more than 10% in this trade. Way more than 10%, so I lost a lot more than I should have. And three, I did honor my stop. It was just too quick. So let's see. So let's zoom in. Wish it would not do that, please. Thank you. So they halted for 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. They opened up a lot higher than I thought. I thought they would open down, but they opened up a lot. And they pulled back to the VWAP. So I know that's a good day trading like holding level. They pulled back. They opened here. And I said, okay, first minute candle to make a new high, I will buy. So I bought here because it just ripped up so fast and had a ton of green volume. I thought it would really go. Obviously, in this trade, it didn't. I bought market. Um, Here you can see my first 50 at basically 760. I got filled really high, basically at the top. And literally 5 seconds later, I sold all of them down at 724. So from 760, let me draw a line, 760 to 724 in 5 seconds. That's what, hold on, sorry. This is what I caught. 5 seconds just went, because it's kind of holding here, and it probably only took about 2.5 seconds for it to drop this far, and I knew I needed to get out, because that rejecting that hard and how quick it came down, I just needed to get out. And I did, and thank God I did, because that would have been a huge loss. And then, as you can see here, I bought another 12, basically 40 seconds later at 681, because I thought it would bounce. Now here, another FOMO, not my setup trade. I broke my rules again. Because I lost money and I wanted to make it back. Stupid day trading reactions and thoughts. That's why I lost. And I know I lost and I accepted it. And now I need to make sure my mindset is in the right place before I ever try to trade. I need to know what I'm doing before I get into it, or else I'm going to keep losing like that. But anyway, I bought another 12 down here, literally as soon as this candle closed almost, and then it halted. It halted in this candle, literally I bought, and then it halted 2 seconds later. I didn't think it was going to halt because this candle was moving the whole time. And then it halted for 5 minutes, and it opened up way down here, and this is where I lost a lot more money. I lost 20 cents actually, exactly. So I lost actually not that much more, but a good amount. I lost most of it up here. So this is where I lost most of the money yesterday. I was basically down $30. It's like a little over 3% of my account at that time. I did lose. You can see all my trades. Let me go to this one and not this one, so you can see them a lot cleaner. All my trades for the last 2 days. And then I'll show you the other stock I traded on Tuesday. I lost like $1.50. I mean $2.50. Here you go. So, and I'll show you exactly how much I lost. I have the Trader View stats and stuff pulled up, so it did put me red on this month. It was that big of a loss. All my green days this month, they put me red. Because FOMO and I broke my rules, and that's what I deserve. I do deserve it, because I should not be doing that. So you can see I bought over this. I wanted to buy this $3 break. I did buy it. Resistance, 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 and then it finally broke here. It was picking up volume, as you can see down here. I really like this setup. I still like this setup. I'm still happy with this trade actually. It had an upsending or a support trend line going up. I don't think upsending is an actual word, but you know what I mean. Trend line, support trend line going up. It broke it here, consolidated for a little while. Let me just try to let's pull this out of the way for a second. See how it can't drag up and down? I can go left and right, but if I just do this a little bit, then it lets me. Stupid things with TOS, I don't know why. But anyway, I bought the $3 break, and it failed instantly. And I was going to stop out if it ever broke this trend line, and as you can see, I honored my stop instantly here at 95. Sold them all, took the $2.50 loss or whatever it was. You could do the math if you want. I'll just show you at the end of the video. So those are my two trades, and I lost basically $30. And then today, as you can see, I'm up $5.23. I'm green on both of my trades, or both stocks I traded today. So the other two stocks I did trade is OCGN, all pre-market because I had to go do my school and stuff again. Can't wait for tomorrow though. I can do some live videos. So let's zoom in here. All right, so half of this trade is luck, but half of it is not. I bought this break here. You can see a huge resistance level. This is where I bought. I bought 20 at 610 with like the rest of my money basically. And I thought it would break in this candle. It did not. Came back down, hit all the trend line support, came back up, and then news came out. So it just rocketed. I call this half luck and then half, of my trade because I did buy at a clear resistance level and it broke. So more people bought in just because it broke that resistance level, which caused it to do this. And yes, I did miss out on a lot more profit. It went all the way up to 680, but I'm a day trader and I do not like to hold. Statistically, if I hold anything over 20 minutes, it becomes a red trade. So I like to get in and get out 5-10 minutes, trying to bring those times down. So you could see I bought 20 here, and then this is where I screwed up. I did not want to buy 15 here. I was clicking buy market or whatever it was, but I was trying to sell. That's like a beginner stupid mistake. I can't believe I was doing. I was like clicking it, and I'm like, wait a second, I'm buying shares. Like I can't believe I actually made that mistake. And I was buying them like way up here. You can see on these 15 average, you can see all the different prices. I was trying to sell, scaling out, and I was buying. I didn't mean to, but luckily, I was able to sell every single one I bought a couple cents higher. So you can see I sold 20 of them at 6:30, 5 more at 6:32, 10 at 6:30. So every single one I accidentally bought, I actually made money on. And then it dipped back down here to the 90 MA, which is also a nice trading support when you got plenty of volume. And I bought 622 for the break over this trend line here, which is somewhere way pre-market. And I sold it for a couple of cents because it wasn't going as much as I want. But if I held it for a couple more minutes, it would have been a nicer trade. So you can see that right there. This trade, I'm like an on it, It didn't work out as quick as I wanted. I was looking for a quick break like this move, but it was kind of chopping out. So I just sold it before, maybe it pulled back. So those are those trades today. And then ATHE right here, pre-market as well. Alrighty. So I have a descending resistance. I did. And then a upsending. I don't know if that's what you call it. Upsending support. So let's see. I bought here at 152. Oh yeah. So I was buying this break right here over these candles. That's what I was buying. I bought here for the break up right here. As you can see, there's a huge resistance here. You can see all the resistance there, and it became again. And then I was hoping it would break here. So I saw all these key resistance levels and then this nice support line it had going up. So my trade plan here was buy it if it broke over here for the confirmation it has the chance to keep going up. And then this trend line would be my stop. So I bought here at 52, was already up some, pulled back to the line, and then it broke everything. And I started to scale out up here, and I sold some more as it came back down. So that was a good trade, a nice trade. And it didn't really pick up too much volume. Well, actually, it has good volume, as you could see it right here. It has decent volume, but realistically to what it did over here, it's like nothing. But that was another good trade, and made 60 cents off that. It was like the remainder of my money I had to trade. And that is it. So let's pull up the trader view. Okay. So here's the month. I'm down $3.37 on the month. You can see this month is when I started to grow my account a lot by putting some more money in there since I am working now. This is basically where I save my money and try to make more money off of my money. So made money here, some more, lost, made, and then this trade, I lost 30 cents in a couple of seconds. I had 50 shares, lost a lot that day. $26 on that trade, and then $2.50 on that. So it was basically a $30 day. And then today I made a little over $5. Go to reports, show you. That's what that looks like. I was up $20 in a month, wiped it all out, and now I'm almost to break even. Definitely not what I want to be seeing. I'm still statistically better win ratio, but that's just not what I want to see. And again, that's not what I want to see either. I don't want my winners to be longer. I'm trying to get these times down by making quicker and better trades. But lately, the market's just been so slow, you have to wait longer for your trades to work. And that's why I'm done trading pre-market, because let me take this out of the way again. Just close it. Everything falls market open, and then it normally doesn't do anything. Let's go here. Just like this stock I traded the other day. As you can see, it opened, gapped up, which is nice. All it did is fall all day long. I'm glad I never held, because this is all they do. YVR, I think it did the same thing. Yeah, yesterday. It opened and all it did is fall and then kind of consolidate. That's what they are all doing lately. OCGN, same thing. Open and just crash, and it's actually having a nice run right now. But all the moves are pre-market, so I'm adjusting my schedule to pre-market, as you should as well. If you want to, as it's your call, but until the market starts to come back, I'm going to be pre-market where the action is. That's just too risky. If you enjoy these videos, this is going to be the end. So if you do enjoy these videos, and we got 4 minutes to market closes, please leave a like. Consider subscribing, because I'm really close to 100 subs. Been trying to get there. My goal was to hit it at the end of this month, so if you can really help me, that would be awesome. Leave video ideas for my 100 subscribers, because I'll make like maybe a little special video. And then come drop into Discord. Discord is a great place. So let me disable that. Pull this down here. Let me move this out of the way. You know, it's mainly me and Lionheart here, but we need some more people. These people are pretty much like not active, but we got the scanner. I put my scanner in here. Profit loss picks. You could put this stuff in here. I put this in there because my freaking win percentage was crazy. I put my videos in here daily. Stock bot. You can ask it anything of a stock. Main chat, obviously, where we chat. So the link to that to join is in the description. And thank you for watching.